Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. For sale and in front of us today, here we have a Ford Transit. This is a 350 L3H2, so long wheelbase medium roof. Limited series, 185 PS engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, front wheel drive, which gives you the increased payload, and the lower load floor in the back. In the back you've got just under 3.5 metres of load length. This particular van is fitted with a racking kit and a heavy duty floor cover. In the front we've got IcePack 25, so that's intelligent and adaptive cruise control, factory navigation, traffic sign recognition, plus plenty more inside. Upgraded door lock on the driver's side, plus 2 hook locks, VanGuard hook locks on the side loading door and on the rear barn doors. And this van was registered in November 2021 and comes with full Ford manufacturer's warranty, 3 years or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. And it's covered just 10,498 miles. So excellent condition inside and out. And as it's the limited series, a few telltale signs already. You've got the 16-inch alloy wheels, bi-xenon headlights, automatic headlights with daytime running. We've got front, rear and side parking sensors. This van's also been fitted with an aftermarket rear view camera. You can see the rear deadlock. And then the upgraded driver security door lock. So yeah, as this is a limited, great connectivity. Connect your phone through the 8-inch touchscreen, Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You've got chrome effect on the grille, heated windscreen, as well as plenty more. Now this van is in stock today. So the 2 hook locks, and including the driver's security door lock, all feature on the same key. They're very simple to use. And then here we can see, because of the front wheel drive, here we've got the lower load floor, heavy duty floor cover, racking units inside and full metal bulkhead, and yellow grab handle, as you can see, excellent condition inside. Lockable rear barn doors when they're in a 90-degree position. Just push this tab. And they also open up a full 180 degrees. And now into the cab. Leather trimmed steering wheel, leather trimmed gear knob. 8-inch touchscreen just beyond that. IcePack 25, I'll go into more detail in just a second. We have the dual passenger seats. Driver's seat, 8-way adjustment including lumbar support. Heavy duty floor mats in the front. Electric one-touch windows, automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights. Remember, these are the bi-xenons. Voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected. Automatic rain sensing wipers, and then cruise control with adjustable speed limiter, and then these few extra buttons of a giveaway for the IcePack 25. So here you can see the lane keeping system, which you can see here already. So just confirming the mileage, and then we'll go through IcePack 25. So the driver assists include, we've got pre-collision assist with different sensitivity and braking assist, traffic sign recognition with alert, different lane keeping sensitivities and intensities, we have cruise control, both intelligent and adaptive, and then automatic high beam. And then another feature of IcePack 25 is the factory navigation up here on the 8-inch touchscreen. So a great blend of touchscreen and physical buttons. If you connect your phone through USB up on the dashboard, this then mirrors your phone through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Really great feature. And the screen also displays your rear view camera and your front, side and rear parking sensors. And then just below that we have the manual air conditioning. You've got your heated windscreen, your heated door mirrors, and your quick clear and quick cool. Then just below that, 6-speed manual gearbox, so 3 pedals, all connected to the 185 PS engine. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a very rare van. Largest engine you can get in a Transit, 185 PS, and very well equipped. So ice pack 25 in the cab, intelligent adaptive cruise control, factory navigation, traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, plus more. Front wheel drive, so greater payload and lower load floor. And in the back you've got racking system, heavy duty floor cover, excellent condition inside and out, factory painted, frozen white, covered just 10,498 miles, registered November 2021, so good chunk of Ford warranty still left on this vehicle. If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.